How to download audio from Elevanlabs. Want to save your AI voice from Elevanlabs? I got you. Let's do it step by step. No app, just browser. First, open your browser and go to www.elevanlabs.io. Remember, Elevanlabs doesn't have a mobile app, so don't search the Play Store. This is all online. Sign in with your account. If you are new, hit sign up. It's fast and free. Go to text to speech, type your text like hello world. Pick a voice and click generate. Once it's ready, just click the download button next to the audio. Boom! It is set to your device. Bonus tip: want to re-download later? Go to the history tab, find the file and click the download icon again. Easy. And just like that, you download audio from Elevanlabs. Remember that Elevanlabs has no app, only is their website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.